Okay, well, today's date is the 6th of December 2022. These came a few days ago. This is what I bought. Just, I dance through the pictures, right? So that's what I'm supposed to be getting is 200 of these things, right? So these are supposed to be 1mm, right? Wait, yeah, 1mm. Should have done this a different. Okay, so 1mm, and then that picture, that. These are so overused by everybody in the whole world. So, but okay, so now I just want to. Oh, there's stuff there. So here, let's get the. I don't want to do that. I want to flip that over. So I'm just gonna. Yeah, I could wave the camera around. Just radios, stuff. Okay, great. Whatever. So now just this is the bed. Okay. Put this on the tripod thing. Right. Alright, so there's that. Here's your measuring stick. Move that over. Just put it there. Okay, so let me flip this around so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, great. So here's the. Oh, I need scissors. Alright, so. Okay, so here's the actual package. Great, there you go. You see that? Okay, so now we're going to open it because I like opening things on camera. So this should be 4 times the same thing. There we go. So now we've got it open. We've got 4 packages of the same thing, right? Okay, so we don't need to, just need to open 1 package. They should all be the same, right? Okay, great. There we go. So it's a, what is it? Made in China, right? So, here's the camera. Right? So, made in China. Yeah, okay, so, oh, I should learn where these people buy these things from. So here we go. So let's, okay, fine. So now just, let's see, can we just rip it open? Well, maybe not, but okay. Let's use some scissors on it and get it open the right way. There we go, so, sure we don't, so, oh, good grief. Well, these are made by, wait, that company right there. Okay, so, that's what it is, looks like that, great. Alright, so we'll just get into that there. And then I hope these are better than the other ones that I got. So here we go. So just kind of pull that out of there. The cardboard won't let me pull it out. It got whip-jawed in there. Okay. There we go. Great. So we got that. This. And my main thing are these flat. Not flat, but I want to make sure that they're, these are the small ones, not really worth a darn to me. It's the bigger ones I really want. Okay, so we've got, main thing I want to know is, are they, see here, can I zip in? Might go the other way. And move the camera some. Oh, come on now. No, I don't want to do that. Well, how do I? Oh, I need to come down. That's what you need to do. You're doing this backwards. Okay, so backwards, and there we go. Okay. And just, okay, so this is what I wanted to see up close. And these are, yeah, these are a lot flatter. Because I bought other belts that were, they're round, yes, but they're like bent. That's what I'm trying to show here. These are more straight or more flat than, okay, so what's going to be the biggest one here? I guess this one. So I got my measuring stick and I got it upside down. So let's see, what is the biggest thing going to be? It's going to be right at 5 inches. Okay. I'm not going to measure every belt, but I do want to measure a few of these. Smaller ones aren't worth a darn for me. Oh, I know, I need a 90mm. That's right. I need some 90mm ones. So that's okay, that's going to be like 95. Okay, so I need, what's this going to be? Again, 95. Alright, let's pull from here and see if I can get a 90. Oh, great. Oh no, that's 80. I'm sorry, I'm looking this upside down. I need bigger than that one. Let's see, so what are these? Okay, so here's one. That's okay, that's 10.5. I need smaller. Wait, this, that out of the way. Okay, so I need 90 is what I'm looking for. That's a 4-inch belt. That's good, but not for my purposes. Let's see here. What would this one be? It's again a 95. All right. And we got what here? We've got Okay, there's. Oh boy. Okay, still bigger than 90. I need something right at 90. All right. So now, what are these going to be? Well, it's going to be 80. Okay. 80. Great. That's going to be 80. All right. Well, drat. These are just going to get smaller, aren't they? So no 90s, huh? Really? So that's this. And these are biggers. Let's see here. All right, so this came off of the. Dang, 95. All right. Okay, I already measured that one. Let's see, I measured this one. That's 4-inch. Okay. Well, I suppose I could stretch this. Okay, and then that's going to be too small. All right, well, and that's going to be a 95. That's going to be too big. I need a 90. Golly. And that's 4¼ inches. Come on now, behave. Well, there's your 90, 95. Well, darn, so that's those. This is going to be too small. This is going to be a 80 something, okay. And then these are taking from this pile. Let's see here. What is that going to be? I need the 90 for a Sanyo. Alright, that's going to be 4-inch, okay, and then these are just going to be larger all the way up to a 5-inch, right? So this is the smallest of that bunch. Well, that's going to be a 4-inch. Okay, so I got 4-inch up to 5-inch. Let's see here. So this is going to be Yeah, there's your 5-inch. Okay, well, I need belts bigger than 5-inch, and I need it 90 millimeters. So, well, I need to find somebody that sells me a belt that comes up to here, right there. Right there. I need 90, and I need larger than 5-inch, preferably up to here, but nobody sells them. Well, I've got a bunch of these now. Okay, great. Well, hope you enjoyed. I've had too much fun. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye.